So we're just about to start an emerging managers series on Fund Shack. Do you invest in or look at emerging managers or new strategies within existing managers?
We do. We actively do. We have dedicated pools of capital and dedicated limited partners of ours that gives us an SMA and said, please choose what you think are the best emerging managers. And each of them, they have their own definition of what is an emerging manager, right?
Sure.
There are some of them that they say, look, they cannot have more than 2 funds. Some others, they say, look, they have to have prior experience with fund managing, right? So if they have not managed a fund before, it will not qualify as an emerging manager, but then it's an emerging manager that has already the experience managing a fund, right? But yes, we do invest. It's not the largest portion of what we do, but we have been doing that for already quite a while, and it has been a fairly successful program. And actually, some of our oldest relationships started like that. And then some of these shops are multi-billion shops today. But maybe 15 years ago, they were emerging managers.
So is the rationale for an emerging manager quota, or wrong word, mandate, is the rationale the risk return of that program, which was the word I was looking for, or is it a strategic play so that you're in with people who could end up being highly sought after?
Yeah, I think they're both. There's definitely an opportunity in these new managers. They're hungry and they're smaller by definition. They can tap into a part of the market that is not as well covered as probably the large cap space, which there's more competition and highly sophisticated competition indeed. But at the same time, there is some strategic value to that, because if you accompany them, if you support them on their very first fund or even the second one, you can be a backer. Then if they are very successful, then in fund 4, fund 5, and 6, they're going to be oversubscribed. Yeah. But they will always remember that you were there the first day.
There's an emotional attachment there. I have the same thing with my early clients.
Similar to that. So actually we are in very large funds today, and we have privileged access today thanks to those relationships of 10, 15 years ago when they were not so big or well known.